So today we're talking about logarithm functions, just talking more about them, right? We're doing more solving for missing parts of the logarithms function. So the first thing we want to do is change our log form to an exponential form. So we're just going to change it to v5 is equal to 32. Okay. We just moved our stuff around just like we've been doing. So now what we're doing is we have v raised to the 5th power is equal to 32, right? So we know that we have v5 is equal to, but the part that we're looking for is we want some number also raised to the 5th power. Okay? So the easiest way to do this is actually, if you use the link to the calculator I put on, oops, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, that's fine. On our website, on the Miss Smith Town and Country thing, it's this first thing up here, right there. It says Miss Smith, right, or it's got my email address. The next link underneath is the web, or the calculator, takes you to this page. So the easiest thing to do is you're going to hit this y square root x button, and then it's going to come up, says square root y term, the root x, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Kind of ignore that. But the first thing you're going to put is whatever your big number is. So our big number in this case is 32. Okay? So that's what we have, 32. Now I have to let the thing load. 32. And then up here at the top there's a comma. You want to put that comma in. And then you're going to put whatever term it is. So in this case it's 5. Hit enter. And then our answer is going to be 2. So we're going to put a 2 here. So now that we have those 5s are basically going to cancel each other out. So our v is going to be equal to 2. Okay? Next, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to switch all our stuff around. We have v to the 2nd is equal to 25. I'm going to go back to our calculator. Do the same process. This is annoying having to let it load. But anyways, you're going to hit that. Sometimes it does this where it takes your answer from the last one. Just clear that stuff out and then start over. Again, put the big number first. So 25, then a comma, then your smaller number. Hit enter. In this case, our answer is going to be 5. So v equals 5, right? Because we did the whole v is equal to some number squared, right? And we came up with that some number as 5. So we got v to the 5th. I know I kind of did that backwards, but hopefully you understand. Last one. I'm going to do the same thing. You got to switch it around. So v to the 3rd equals 216. I'm going to go back to that calculator. I'm going to start by clearing it out just to make it easier on myself. I'm going to hit our y square root x, big number first, so 216, and then comma. What was our small number? 3. Hit enter. We get 6, so v to the 3rd is equal to some number, which in this case is 6, to the 3rd, so v is equal to 6. If you have a graphing calculator, you can do the same process, but you'll just hit second, and then your x, not your x squared, actually, take that all back. You'll hit the math button, and then you'll go down to the 5th one. It says x square root. You'll do that. You got to put your small number in first, though. You have to do like if we were doing the first one, I would put 5, then I'd hit math, go down to x square root, hit that, and then put my 32. But yeah, the website is pretty easy to use once you know how to use it. So do that. Have any questions, email me. And we're good. And we're done.